Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a large multi-page poster using Microsoft Word. You don't need any special design software for this, just Word, a picture, and a few simple settings. Let's get straight into it. First thing first, open Microsoft Word. If you already have a document open, that's perfect. If not, just create a new blank one. So if we go here, you will be here, blank one, and that's it. Once your document is open, go to the layout here at the top. From there, click on margin, and you will see several options, but for this project, select narrow. Where is it? Right here. This step is important because it reduces the white borders and gives you more space for your poster image. Next, go to the Insert tab and choose Pictures. I will use it online picture, but you can also use one from your computer once you select the image. Insert it. So I will go with this one here. If we found something interesting, so I will do this one. Insert. As you can see, now it's inserted in our document. Now we need to adjust the image. Right click on the picture, go to the wrap text and choose behind text like so. This allows the image to freely move and scratch across the document page without being restricted by text formatting, like so, as you can see. In my case, I'm not, so we can do it like something like that. I will stretch it all the way through, like so. So I set here, we can set the height. So I will set it to 55 centimeters and 39 centimeters because I will make 4-page poster. So once you apply this, you will see the image automatically spread across multiple page in your document. Now we are ready to print, so go click on File and go to Print, and that's it. You now have a multi-page poster that you can assemble at home or in the office. This is a simple but powerful trick that lets you create impressive posters using only Microsoft Word. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.